Alright, thinking of using FreeSewing.org but not sure if it's legit? Let me give you the real rundown. So, FreeSewing.org is an open source platform where you can generate custom sewing patterns. Totally free, just plug in your measurements, pick a design, and then boom, your pattern is ready to download as a PDF. Yes, it's 100% legit. It's run by a passionate community and it's been around for years. No sketchy pop-ups, no paywalls, no hidden fees. You don't even need to create an account unless you want to save your measurements. But here's the deal, it's DIY focus. You'll need to print, tape, and sometimes tweak the pattern for your body type. It's not spoon-fed, but if you know your way around a sewing machine, it's gold. So if you're serious about sewing and want pro-level patterns without paying a cent, freesewing.org is a totally worth it. Go check it out and hey, follow for more honest reviews and creative tools. And that's it.